What's up, you guys? It's Brandi. Thank you for tuning in to my channel. I know y'all are looking at me like, who is this chick that is on my computer screen, phone, iPad, or whatever you're watching this video on right now, because she's been MIA. And yes, I have. But if you want to keep up with me on a regular basis, I highly suggest that you follow me on Instagram at BrandiLou88. I will have my handle somewhere on the screen and also linked in the description box below. So before we jump into the workout part of the video today, I want to quickly talk to you about today's sponsor of the video, which is the company Modern Fertility. So big shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. If you're not familiar with them, they are a reproductive health company which allows you to basically do at-home tests to test your fertility, hormone levels, and things like that right in the comfort of your own home. The kits are extremely affordable compared to you going to a doctor and having them test these same things. And they even allow you to use your HSA and FSA funds to pay for the kit. Y'all know I already got y'all a coupon code. Your girl is gonna hook you up, so stay tuned. I'm also gonna have it linked in the description box below as well. I did try this kit at home. I'm gonna do some overlay footage to show you guys just how easy it is for you to do it in the comfort of your own home. They send everything to you wrapped up in the box, neatly packaged. Specific instructions, like to a T. They even have on the website where you can go on there and read, ask questions about anything you have before taking the test. If you're someone who doesn't like blood, you don't want to poke yourself and things like that, they even have it where you can go to a site close to you where someone can draw your blood and then you can send the information in. You get the results back super fast. I feel like mine were within a week that I got them back. I think they say 7 to 10 days on the website. You get the whole list of your results. You can take that printout and take it to your OBGYN where you can further discuss things, or you can even speak to a nurse that they have with the company and do a one-on-one to further discuss the results. I absolutely loved it. I am going to have the information in the description box if you guys want to read up more about it. This will be great for people that are family planning. Your girl is getting up there in age. I'm in my 30s. While I'm not ready to have a baby just yet, it's great to have knowledge of things going on with my body just so I can prepare for when we want to have kids and things like that. So knowledge is power. If you don't know, you can't address certain issues. If you guys have any more questions about my experience with Modern Fertility for this first time that I did an at-home test, please ask away. I just enjoy chatting with women because when we chat, we actually realize that we learn so much from each other and we can gain so much from each other, and knowing that we're not the only ones going through certain things and that we can make it through, you know? So I just had to throw a little inspiration out there for you guys. So yeah, I will have all the information in the description box below. And again, thanks to Modern Fertility for sponsoring today's video. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump into the workout portion. Let's sweat, let's tone, let's build some muscle, let's get some movement in. rest. All right. I had to come in, congratulate y'all on completing the first round, the first set. Definitely take a minute break and then repeat that for 2 to 3 more times to get a full, complete workout. Hopefully you guys are enjoying this workout. If you are, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button because it's going to be many more videos like this one coming. And again, check out that description box for everything that I've discussed in this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.